We're starting with a packed cup of dark brown sugar. That ever happened to you, right? You left your brown sugar open. Maybe you found a package in the back of the cupboard or something and just you're banging on it. It's like as hard as a rock. I'm going to give you a tip on how to save that brown sugar, okay? So here's what I want you to do. Pretend this is like a hard rock of brown sugar, okay? You forgot about it. I've had people throw out their brown sugar because it's just so hard and so done, right? They think they can never get it back. Incorrect. I'll show you this. And it doesn't matter how old your brown sugar is, it's going to come back. What I want you to do, this is soft, but pretend it's hard, okay? Put your hard rock of brown sugar in a bowl, and then take plastic wrap inside the bowl, not over the top, but inside the bowl, and just put that plastic wrap loosely on that brown sugar. Then wet a couple of paper towels, put that on top of the plastic wrap, and then cover this with a lid. Let that sit on your counter for 24 hours. After 24 hours, take off the lid, throw out the paper towels, take off the plastic wrap, and you will find your brown sugar is just as good as day one. Beautiful and soft and moist. Every single time it works. No matter how far gone your brown sugar is, that's going to work for you.